Hey guys, this is Jerald Bouie with Rightful Owner Recovery Service. So if you're watching this video, chances are you recently received a postcard from me. And if you're wondering if it's real, yes, it's real. It's 100% real. So what's this all about? Let me explain. See, over time, most people go through changes. We move, change names, switch jobs, or deal with stacks of paperwork in our lives. In the middle of all that, sometimes things get overlooked. And every now and then, a balance side to your name doesn't get handled the way it should have been. There's no notification, no reminder, nothing official knocking at your door. But that doesn't mean it disappears. That's where Rightful Owner Recovery Service comes in. You see, our job is simple. We help people follow up on what may have been missed along the way. So if your name comes across our desk, we take it seriously. That's why we sent you the postcard. There's no pressure, no scare tactics, just a direct message from someone who's trying to help. Been there, done that. If you'd like to find out what we saw, give me a call at 985-500-3282. or visit us at rightfulownerrecovery.com. I'll walk you through what I found, and from there you decide what to do next. Again, I'm Jerald Bouie with Rightful Owner Recovery Service, and I look forward to helping you take the next step. It's your money. Go get it. Be blessed.